SolidWorks is a company that helps customers design products. The way we do that is through our flagship product called SolidWorks, which allows you to make a 3D model of the design, and based on that model, do all sorts of analysis to help make sure that that product works well, gets manufactured well, looks good.
Almost all engineers or engineering students will use our software to design anything you can imagine. Customers trying to build very large assemblies with SolidWorks, the 32-bit platform really is just not powerful enough. Moving SolidWorks to Windows XP x64 edition has had tremendous benefit for our customers. I've seen customers who were having problems on 32-bit now working with assemblies that have over 250,000 components and millions of user-level objects. Customers have also been able to do tremendously complex analysis, and with the support we have in our graphics engine for multi-core, there's been amazing performance gains in photorealistic rendering.
The other thing is they need to do analysis. That kind of analysis requires 64-bit. They also have the need of sometimes to do reverse engineering, which is take a part that exists that they've done before, for which they might not have a 3D model, and then put it into 3D, and the reverse engineering software helps you do that. And again, there, 64-bit is very helpful.
With the 32-bit version, we had about 3 gigabytes of memory that an engineer could use to design copiers or cars, and that pretty much allowed them to do about 20,000 parts, maybe 50,000 parts, but surely no more than 100,000 parts. With 64-bit, we go from 3 gigabytes to 8,000 gigabytes. That's 2,500 times more memory space for this engineer to use on his laptop.
Assemblies like this one that contain many thousands of parts, previous to our x64 edition, were virtually impossible to open at the top level assembly. Now in our new x64 edition, the entire assembly can be opened. You can go in and easily rotate, manipulate, zoom, and work in context of the assembly without any loss of performance.
One of the most fun customers we have is Orange County Choppers. They make the bikes that you often see on the Discovery Channel. They used to do all this stuff by hand for the most part, and they started using our software and started designing the bikes in our software, which made the design process much faster and allowed them to explore many more interesting designs. So from our customer base, we really expect 64-bit to be the majority, if not all of it, in terms of the usage by our customers. In the next 18, 24, maybe 36 months at the utmost. 2 to 3 years from now, we believe we'll only be selling 64-bit.